Hello everybody, this is Daniel here with Screenly. Today we're going to be showing you how to use AgencyAnalytics and Screenly to display data dashboards on your digital signs. AgencyAnalytics is a tool that allows marketers, agency owners in particular, to easily build, share, and distribute dashboards for their most important metrics. Jump into it. So the first thing with Screenly is to make a screen. You can make screens in two ways. The first way is with a dedicated digital signage player. This is a physical device that you can buy from Screenly.io. But you can also make a screen with our Screenly Anywhere feature, which allows you to use any existing hardware you have or no hardware at all. You can build a browser screen, and that's what we'll do today. So first step is to go to anywhere.screenly.io. Okay. And here you have a pairing code so that the Screenly software knows what screen it's sending information to. So we'll enter that pairing code now, 6DGF, okay, 6DGF, okay, and then the next part is Q5G4, Q5G4. Okay, we're going to call this test screen. Okay, we're going to click add. Now it's adding the screen to our Screenly account, and we can see that test screen here. So the next step is to get content. Once we have content, we assign it to a playlist, and then we assign the screen to a playlist. But the content is coming as a URL from AgencyAnalytics. So within AgencyAnalytics, you can start with a free trial if you don't have an account. And then once you're inside, first of all, you need to connect whichever integration or software you have in mind. They have dozens of different options here of popular tools. We just have a demo dashboard set up now. I'm going to click into that. But of course, you can also build your own custom dashboard with your integrations. But once you're in that dashboard that you make, up here on the top right, there will be a share icon, and we're going to go to share link. Okay. We're going to share current section. You can also do all sections if that's appropriate for your dashboard. Okay. And so there's time frames here. So then we click create link. Okay, perfect. We're going to click copy link here. And then here we go back to our Screenly dashboard, and we're going to click new content. Okay, we're going to click URL, and we're going to add the link and click finish. Okay, it's adding to our account right now. Perfect. Okay. AgencyAnalytics dashboard. Okay, we're going to click save. Perfect. Okay, the next step here is we need to create a playlist. So we're going to call this playlist marketing dashboard. Okay, and we're going to select that screen that we made through Screenly Anywhere. We're going to save that to the account. And then of course we're going to add our content here. Okay, perfect. And then we click save. And that's it. So right now we have the content here, and you can see the preview. And that content, now that we've added our screen to the playlist, it displays on that screen, which you can, of course, display without dedicated hardware. So that's what we have to cover today. Again, with AgencyAnalytics, you get access to a ton of different tools and integrations where you can quickly and easily build dashboards. And of course, with Screenly, you can display that data on a digital sign. So thanks for watching today, and we look forward to sharing more tutorials with you in future videos. Thank you.